audience gets more and more of the impression I'm against LDS, which I'm really not. So I don't want to spend too much time on that.
To follow him throughout out the 11 that saw the golden compass. Hold on, 5 out of the 11 stopped following you, right?
I love you. I love you. God bless you.
The evildoers responsible for my husband's assassination have no idea what they have done. They killed Charlie because he preached a message of patriotism, faith, and of God's merciful love. But they should all know this. If you thought that my husband's mission was powerful before, you have no idea. You have no idea what you just have unleashed across this entire country. You have no idea the fire that you have ignited within this wife. The cries of this widow will echo around the world like a battle cry. To everyone listening tonight across America, the movement my husband built will not die.